Hello dear subscribers, today I'll tell you how to fix problem on iPhone not sending messages in your Instagram, so how you can also fix it. So for fixing it, first thing, you can also just try to close and open your Instagram app again, and if it doesn't help you, if you still have the error, so you can also just go to the settings. In the settings you need to find Wi-Fi. If you use Wi-Fi, just open it, just try to turn it off and turn on again. If you use cellular data, just open cellular data, just try to turn it off and turn on again. So another thing you can try to restore your phone. So just go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait for a second and just power phone again. So just simple restore your phone. And the latest option you can try to update your app. So just go to App Store, just go to search tab. In search tab, just write Instagram, and if you see update button here, just tap on it and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your Instagram app. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.